Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today I'll discuss about the unboxing of Boya by WM4 PRO-K2 dual channel digital wireless microphone, which I purchased right before day before yesterday, and which has arrived to me uh, yesterday. And today I'll unbox this thing, and this is that particular box I am trying to talk about. And see over here, this is the product. This is by Boya, and the product is by WM4 Pro K2 dual channel digital wireless microphone with 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, so before opening the box, I'll show you the compatible devices with this are the smartphone, okay, then tablet, then the PCs, then camera, and some camcorders. Obviously this particular product is compatible with. Okay, so now at the back of the box there are some specifications has been given of this particular product. Is that it is actually being radio frequency modulation of GFSK, that means Gauss frequency shift keying, means digital modulation, you may know. Okay, it supports some digital modulation shift keying technique. Okay, and the frequency band it supports of 2.4 gigahertz, and specially mentioned that its bandwidth is 2405 to 2478 megahertz, and the frequency response is 35 hertz to 14 kilohertz plus minus 3 decibel noise range, and its signal to noise ratio is 84 decibel or more, and earphone output is 32 ohm, and 65 megawatt is the power level. Okay, and reception sensitivity minus 90 dB plus minus 3 dB slash 0 dB, which equals 1 volt and 1 kilohertz. And audio input connector, it is having some 3.5 millimeter mini jack. Its operation range is 60 meter, and power requirement is 3 volt DC. That means it requires two AAA size batteries, and power consumption is 3 volt and 3 volt 70 milliampere. Okay, and there are some dimensions has been given over here. So let us open this particular box. Okay, so before opening I'll show how the box looks like. Okay, this is one side, this is the other side, and the top side is there is a hanger, nothing else. Okay, so let us open this box to check what is inside it. So there is a bag, and inside this bag the particular things are inside there. Okay, I'll open this thing later after some time. Okay, so before that, what is inside the box I'll check. Okay, this packet is empty right now, and there are some paperwork as which every of the devices contain. This type of paperwork is there. It has some other device configuration also, most probably. Whatever, I'll see this in detail later. And there is some two stickers for two of the transmitters have been given, and there is most probably some warranty claimer. Okay, this is the warranty claimer, whatever. Now let us open this particular bag, and what is inside it, let us check. Okay, so this is the opening of the box, and inside it there are, yes, this is the receiver. Okay, then there are transmitters, one transmitter and two transmitters. Okay, there are two transmitters. I am keeping over here all these things, and there are some pouches, and there are some there are some wires, and one silica gel, obviously to control the moisture inside the bag, and there is another sticker. I'm keeping aside this bag right here right now to show you the detail of the transmitter and the receiver. So in my hand there is a transmitter, and the transmitter's front side is written as BY-WM4 Pro transmitter from Boya, and upside there is one line in, and there is some mic, okay, mic symbol, and at the opposite side there is a clip, nothing else, okay. And obviously this particular thing at the other side there is some on off button, and there is a pair button obviously. So now most probably there is some lighting error or light deficiency, so I have to put a torch on it to show you properly. Okay, at the left side there is some on off switch, this is the on off switch, and there is at the right side there is the pair, okay. At the upside there are two ports, one is the left hand is the line in, at the right hand is the left hand is the mic, okay. And at the bottom there is some opening, most probably for the battery, okay. Let us check what is inside it. Yes, there are two AAA size batteries should be included over here. So this is one receiver, transmitter, then this is the receiver, and the receiver is also having the same thing, but instead there is some line out, okay. There is the line out, and there is the mic, and at one side there are one on off key, and another one is the volume rocker plus minus over here, okay. Clip, attachment clip, and obviously at the downside there is the battery, okay. So let us open this particular one. Yes, this is the battery, which will include two AA size batteries over here, and another one is the same kind of transmitter. It is written over here, upside is line in, and mic button, mic port on off, and there is a pair. Downside there is a battery insertion channel, and at the other side there is the clip. These are the transmitters and receivers, okay. Now let us see what is inside this particular pouches, okay. In one pouch I have got two mic protectors, and this is most probably, yes, the DSLR attacher, okay. On the DSLR you will put it and tighten it by this screw, okay. I'm keeping aside these things, okay. There are two mics, there are two mics, one side mic, other side is the 3.5mm jack, okay. And another one, this is most probably for the from receiver to the camera or other camcorder, other devices. This is the thing, this is the connector. And inside another pouch, there is another pouch is here. Inside it there is a clip to attach the mic, okay. Another 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack, and yes, there is another mic clip, okay. So there are two mic clips, that's the things, okay. So inside the box I have found two mic clips, one USB type 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack, audio jack, and there is some, most probably this one for the receiver to the camera or the smartphone one attacher cable, okay. There are two mics, one side mic to other side 3.5mm jack, this is the same thing, okay. And mic protector, these are the mic protector, two mic protector, one DSLR attacher, okay. And this is the receiver, these two are the transmitters. That's the thing was inside this particular bag. And inside the bag at the upside there is some chain arrangement to keep another things if you want to keep. This space has been given. So this is the nice attachment, nice bag has been given with this particular packaging. Okay, so very good thing and very good packaging is there. Now with another video I'll show how to connect the batteries with triple size batteries, and I'll try to connect it with my Samsung phone. Okay, and another video I'll try to connect it, show it by using my DSLR camera. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you very much, thank you for your watching, and if you like this video, put a like button on there on the channel, and if you like my videos, just subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much, bye.